Man, set me up right.
And a new thing that. And a new thing this, man.
Word, man, yo.
Check it out, man.
Bro, post-COVID, so I've been waiting for... Locs, why me here look white? What's up with that?
And the COVID.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's one half of DXA, and today's video is going to be a Loc vlog update just to show y'all where I'm at with my hair. It's been a whole year, which is crazy. Last year around this time, it was actually Mother's Day to be exact, is when I did my locks, and nothing has really changed. I'm still sticking to just brushing the side of my hair like this, like that. Got my little water bottle and look at oil. I'm gonna try to attempt to do my hair today. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm gonna wash it. Ladies out there, I'm sure y'all know this product. Here's the growth. Man, I bubble dread now. Hey, I'm gonna try and I'm just gonna wash my hair because I know I haven't washed it in, yeah, it's been a minute since I've been home since in quarantine. Let's see. I'm gonna show y'all some footage of when I first started, and now definitely been some growth, and it's dope. I'm gonna try and wash his hair and see what I can do to get it styled. All right. Alright, hair is washed, so it's now time to attempt to retwist. So, alright, let's do this. To retwist locks yourself.
Hey YouTube, thanks for coming back to my channel, Stay Forever True. So in this video, I'm going to show you all how to do a live retwist.
This. I couldn't do it, y'all. That's too much work. I'm headed out to my loctician, Lou.
Boxy, what? Yo, D, this shit got mad long, son.
Yeah, bro.
Damn, okay.
man set me up right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And a new thing that. And a new thing this, man.
Word, man, yo.
Check it out, man.
Bro, post-COVID, so I've been waiting for the... Dogs, why me here look white? What, so what that?
And the COVID.
Dogs, no, dogs. Brethren, you mean tell me say you really, you bleach me your dogs?
And the COVID-19, the dog.
No dogs, you can't do this. So yo, here's done.
It's a celebration. 1 year.
Yo.
1 year.
Facts.
Celebration.
1 year, yo, for real, 1 year.
Platinum year.
Facts. That's what's up, yo. Shout out to my homeboy Yanicare. Yo, anybody who want to get locks in Central Florida, Orlando, this is the place to come. I'm telling y'all.
Nobody else is knocking at my door.
No, you don't say D. You say who is it?
Don't come in here with that.
What's your photo shoot? Somebody here doing a photo shoot. You see my hair?
Yeah.
Take this off.
Oh my gosh. Is that color?
Mm-hmm.
He gave you color and not me? After I was asking him for color, what color is this? White or purple? What color is this?
It's white.
So he used the wax on you. Wow. Let me see. Come here. I like it, but I'm upset because I've been asking him for color and he's denying me my color. Let me see the other side. Nice and neat. Okay, cutie.